Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to decrease text size in Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. You can just swipe up the screen for getting menu. You can see here my font are big, and just swipe up the menu. Then you can see settings. Open that. Then open display and touch the option. You can see here and open display and touch. Then just swipe up for getting the function of display size and text. You can see there the sender. Just open that. Then you can see the slider. Currently it is the sender, and just drag to left side for reducing the text size, and dragging right side to increase the text size. Currently it is the lowest text size. So that's guys, in this way you can simply adjust your text size on Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.